Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the environment so you avoid wasted steps. Open SDK Manager and verify installed API levels and SDK build tools. Make sure your Gradle plugin matches the project. Once done, run the app and immediately switch to Logcat to capture the first error line. That line matters most. Next, clean the project and perform a Gradle sync and rebuild. These actions fix many transient build and dependency resolution issues quickly. You now dive into the middle of the problem by reading the full stack trace and locating the failing class or resource. That tells you whether it's code, native library, or missing resource. Then inspect build. Gradle for conflicting or duplicated dependencies and confirm ProGuard or R8 rules aren't stripping needed classes. Make sure multidex is enabled if methods exceed limits. Also verify Android manifest entries and runtime permissions. These often cause crashes. You finish by applying fixes and validating them. Rebuild the app, uninstall any older installs, and install the fresh APK on a real device or emulator. If behavior persists, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio to clear corrupted indices. Make sure to test different API levels and clean user data between runs. Troubleshooting tip: if errors remain, create a minimal reproducible sample that isolates the failing component. Once isolated, you can narrow the cause and apply a focused fix much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.